There is nothing permanent. Everything in this entire universe comes with an expiry. Don't think if you are failing now, then you will not get successful. Everything happens on its own time. You have to follow the change. I am having a hard time. This hustle is with me only. I can't face struggles. My life is full of problems and difficulties. I don't find any hope. These are all negative thoughts which have surrounded you and filled you up with disbelief in yourself. Come out of this grave. Don't think that today you are messed up in this negativity, then this time will not move out. It is life, dear. After a bad phase, good times comes, and the same does with good to bad. You have to follow the change. The day you think you are the best, you are the smartest, you are the core of success, you know all the hacks of life, you are the one who is known by everyone, then do remember this too. You are a part of change. You have to obey the change. You are the winner today, but don't consider this success just yours only. Don't think you are the best. There is a lot of space in the room. Others sitting in this room of whom you don't have any idea of their skills. You don't even know who they are. The moment time changes, you will find the result. Don't be a mediocre, but listen to others often. Accept with a dignity that you too are a learner. You too don't know everything around. Confess that. You can make mistakes and accept the truth. There is nothing like perfect in this world. Everything has some flaws in them. The moment you surrender yourself to this thought, then it changes everything around. Now you will not get afraid from new things and not to be emotional with old. As you have accepted the law of universe to follow the change, then you get enlightened. You follow everything without any attachment. There is no change in you when someone says to love or perish. When these two things have the same meaning for you, the meaning of love and hate don't create a difference. When your life gets balanced, you don't think much through your heart, and neither you get to be logical as too high. When something good happens, you don't get happy, and with bad, you don't blame out onto anyone. You are in a state of being silent as per the intention. It seems like that you know everything before. The cycle of change make your vision so clear that there is no worry, no happiness, no sadness, no confusion, no grief, no anger, no grief, nothing, not a single damn thought of all these things in you. You get closer to yourself. You get to know more deep about yourself. The image of yours, which usually seen in the reflection, is much clean and clear. You get closer to the hidden person, the hidden thoughts, the hidden vision, the hidden self person inside you is visible to you. Now you know the person inside you, which was just a stranger earlier. There are a few who don't accept to follow the change, and by this thought they harm themselves. The guy who matches of his speed with the change will be in the game. The person who thinks that change can't affect them, they will be left behind. They will be so far that they can't dream of chasing us again. When you think you're gonna not change, you will not follow the change, then the things which is stopping you, not anything other than your ego, is making you to stop from being changed. If you have an appointment for 12 in the afternoon and you think you will go directly and meet that guy anytime, will it be possible? No, it will not be. So you have to follow the decorum. Same goes with the change. When something gets changed, then you can't let it to turn back. You can copy someone, but the original will remain the one only. There can be its countless copies, but the original will remain original.